Looking to bring your creativity to life or start a custom engraving business? A laser engraver can be your ultimate tool, whether you're personalizing wood, etching acrylic, or designing metal. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best laser engravers that deliver precision, power, and versatility for all your DIY or professional needs. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Engraver 5 130-watt laser engraver. For professionals who need raw power and unmatched cutting ability, the Engraver 5 130W delivers a staggering 20-watt optical laser output, capable of cutting 15 mm of wood or 8 mm of acrylic in one pass, and up to 25 mm in multiple passes. This unit features a 400 by 400 mm work area and a 3.5-inch touchscreen for standalone use. It supports multiple connectivity options including USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app control, and offers precise control through Lightburn or Laser GRBL software. It even supports simultaneous control of multiple machines from one PC, perfect for scaling operations. Safety features include flame detection, emergency stop, and thermal shutdown protection. The Engraver 5 130W also offers multicolor engraving with its 256 color palette support, making it a powerful option for advanced artists and industrial users alike. Number 4. Acmeir S1 Portable Laser Engraver. If you need a portable, easy-to-use laser engraver that does not skimp on quality, the Acmeir S1 is a compact powerhouse. With a 2,500 mW optical laser output, it supports over 100 materials including wood, plastic, glass, leather, anodized metal, and even ceramics, making it perfect for hobbyists, students, and light commercial use. Its ultra-compact design features a 130 by 130 mm working area, ideal for smaller projects like keychains, jewelry, tags, and ornaments. But don't let its size fool you. The precision it offers is impressive thanks to its fine laser beam and fixed focus module. The pre-assembled frame saves time during setup, so you can start creating within minutes. The Acmeir S1 includes built-in limit switches for both the X and Y axes, offering improved safety and more accurate positioning. Number 3. ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 LU2-2. Perfect for beginners or hobbyists who want to get started with laser engraving, the ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 LU2-2 offers outstanding quality without overwhelming complexity. Equipped with a 2,100 mW fixed focus laser module, this engraver uses a compressed spot of 0.07 by 0.06 mm, allowing it to produce clean, high-resolution engravings on a wide variety of materials. The engraving area is a generous 390 by 410 mm. Number 2. Engraver 5. The Engraver 5 5W is a budget-friendly laser engraver with smart features and precision that appeal to both beginners and experienced creators. It utilizes a 240 MHz ESP32 chipset, enabling faster and smoother operation compared to typical control boards. With a laser spot size of just 0.08 mm and engraving accuracy down to 0.01 mm, this machine delivers clean, detailed results every time. Its large 400 by 400 mm engraving area offers flexibility for creating signs, artwork, or multiple smaller pieces at once. Number 1. ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 LU2-10A. The ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2 LU2-10A is a powerful engraving machine designed for serious hobbyists and small businesses that demand performance and reliability. It features a true 10,000 mW optical power laser module that uses compressed spot technology to deliver a superfine laser point of just 0.05 by 0.1 mm. This precision allows it to cut up to 30 mm of acrylic and 20 mm of wood with ease. Built with a solid aluminum alloy frame and industrial-grade structure, From compact machines for hobbyists to industrial-grade units for professionals, these 5 laser engravers bring precision, performance, and reliability to the table. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your engraving business, one of these will fit your creative needs perfectly. Like and subscribe for more tech-packed product roundups.